Hey y'all, welcome back. Okay, so happy Monday. This vlog will probably be all over the place. Granted, it's a work from home day. I need to go get breakfast and prepare for a meeting. So we have a little bit of crunch time to be able to do that. Today's video will consist of me, a coffee lover, trying matcha for the first time and going from there. So don't mind my voice, I'm just getting over bronchitis. I had that like a week or two ago. I have asthma, so I'm kind of still dealing with that. My hair looks a mess. Okay. All right, y'all. We're about to head out. So, there's really no good angle in my car, and my hands are extremely dry. It's just one of them days. Mondays are always like a crazy tricky start for me, because I'm learning to readjust from just the past weekend, especially with meetings, kind of all over the place. But the one thing that I can say that helps is that I've learned to become a morning person.
I just called you at 2 a.m. complicated, immature, and confused, cause I want you but don't know what to do with ya. But you beloved, and truly this.
Good morning. Can I please have a large caramel iced coffee with cream and sugar, please? And let's see. Can I please have a small iced matcha latte with oat milk, 1 pump of caramel swirl, and then add sweet cold foam on top, please? Okay. So my total was $11.91, and I'm gonna do a taste test. If you don't know, I love coffee. This is gonna sound really bad, but I've been drinking coffee since I was 8 years old, I believe. Yeah, I've been drinking coffee since I was 8 years old. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, y'all. So when I get to my next destination, I will show y'all what the drinks looks like. But yeah. And sorry, Mom. Yeah, I am vlogging while driving, and this won't continue. It's just content purposes only right now. So I'm heading to McDonald's. I'm heading to McDonald's because I want a sausage McGriddle. I want a sausage McGriddle and some hash browns. So that's what I'm gonna get today. And we're gonna go from there, and I'll show you all my drinks. I'm not thinking about these people. So this is the iced matcha latte, caramel swirl, oat milk, cold foam. I've never tried it. I don't know what this is gonna be like, but we'll see. He's probably like, this girl has a whole vlogging camera. Don't worry, you're not gonna be in it. But yeah, we're gonna see. Not pretty Ricky, y'all. Good morning. Thank you. Oh, could I have some strawberry jelly too, please? Strawberry jelly? Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so here are the 2 drinks that I got from Dunkin' Donuts. I don't know. Is this a good thumbnail? Okay, so is it focusing? Okay, so small iced matcha latte, 1 caramel swirl, oat milk, cold foam. Doesn't look like they mixed this up really well, so I'm gonna do my first taste test without stirring it up. Okay, the sweet cold foam is very good. Very good. They definitely could have stirred the matcha up a little bit better. Yeah, ASMR. So the benefits of matcha are like, it's like a natural caffeine. I'm not too all the way aware of it, but my mom started drinking this a long time ago. I don't know if she still drinks it. She used to make it at home, and she used to drink it hot instead of iced. I'm not sure what this tastes like. Like tea. It tastes like green tea. It's really good, y'all. It's not bad. Would I drink this every day? No. Would I get it often? Yes. But this is why I got my normal drink. Okay. Yeah, y'all. So for the matcha latte, I didn't even like finish the taste test on this one. For the matcha latte, small iced matcha latte, caramel swirl, oat milk, cold foam. I'll put the recipe in the description bar. I give this an 8.5 out of 10. There's nothing really wrong with it. I think you just have to make sure you're stirring it up. Like, they didn't stir up all of the matcha. You definitely want to add something to this when you get it, because if you just drink it by itself, it doesn't taste the greatest. So yeah, 8.5 out of 10. I definitely will stick to my normal coffee, but if I needed a substitute, I will order a matcha. So not bad, not bad. Now back to work. Okay, the next time you go to Dunkin', get an iced matcha latte, 1 pump of caramel swirl, oat milk, and sweet cocoa. Here's my taste test. Okay, so I rate this at 8.5 out of 10.